English together.
Look for.
Hey, John. Are you looking for something? You seem lost.
Yes, Sarah. I lost my keys, and I can't find them anywhere.
Don't worry, I'll help you to look for them. Where did you last have them?
I think they were in my pocket when I sat on that bench.
Let's start by checking around the bench.
I'll look under it, and you can look around nearby.
Okay, I'll search the ground and the bushes. Keep looking, John. We'll find them.
John and Sarah search for a while.
I checked around the bench, but the keys aren't there.
Don't give up. Let's expand our search. Check the path and the grassy area. We need to keep looking for any signs of them.
Sarah and John continue searching in different areas.
Wait, I found something shiny. Are these your keys?
Yes. Thank you, Sarah. I couldn't have found them without your help.
You're welcome, John.
Explanation. Look for is a phrasal verb that means to search or seek something. Example.
Are you looking for something? We need to keep looking for any signs of them.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.